What's up, y'all? I'm gonna be changing my shock today because I'm fat and I need a heavier spring. So we'll see how fast I can do it. But yeah, I need a heavier spring. I'm gonna take it off today, and tomorrow I'm gonna take it to my boy Mobile Motorsports. If you know him, he's in Moreno Valley. Check him out on Instagram, Mobile Motorsports. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking on my shock right now. Tomorrow taking it to him to put on the heavier spring and see how the bike rides after that, because I'm too heavy for it right now. I'm 215. I'm too heavy. I got the shock off, y'all. Took about 5-10 minutes, but all I used was a 17 socket for the bottom bolt, and a 14 socket for the top bolt, which is right here. And the gas tank was just 3 8 bolts, so it was 1, 2, and the bolt that holds the gas tank in the back pops off pretty easy. But yeah, now to tomorrow to take this to my boy so he can change my spring out because I'm too fat.